Good morning, dear students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the preparation of carboxylic acid, that is mainly the benzoic acid, by the oxidation of alkyl benzene. So the topic is preparation of benzoic acid, preparation of benzoic acid from alkyl benzene. So how benzoic acid is prepared? By the oxidation of your alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene is oxidized to benzoic acid, irrespective of the length and nature of the side chain. But there is one restriction in this oxidation. The restriction is, if the ring contain, if the carbon attached to benzene ring, if the carbon attached to benzene ring has no free hydrogen, then oxidation is not possible. So let us see in which case there will be no oxidation. For example, if we have a compound of this type, this is carbon and there are three alkyl groups. This is also alkyl, this is also alkyl, this is also alkyl. It means on this carbon there is no free hydrogen. So if we oxidize with KMnO4 in alkaline medium, no such benzoic acid is formed in this case. Means if the alkyl group on the benzene ring is a tertiary alkyl, then it will restrict the oxidation. However, if the alkyl is either primary or the alkyl is secondary, if the alkyl containing one carbon, if the alkyl containing three carbon, if the chain containing any unsaturation, it will directly oxidize to your carboxylic group to give benzoic acid. Now, normally, or you can say generally, the oxidation of alkyl benzene is carried out in alkaline medium. For example, if we have methyl benzene, which is also known as your toluene. Now this toluene on oxidation with your alkaline KMnO4. Alkaline KMnO4 means Suppose KMnO4 we are using in the presence of alkali such as your KOH, then the product form is your COOK minus plus. So it is called your potassium benzoate. This is your potassium benzoate, and this potassium benzoate on acidification will give you the product called benzoic acid. The product is your benzoic acid. Similarly, if we have a compound like this, suppose it is your ethyl benzene. Suppose this is your ethyl benzene. Now this ethyl benzene, if we oxidize it with your alkaline KMnO4, that is KMnO4 in the presence of KOH, then what happens? Then again we can say your potassium benzoate will form. See, ethyl benzene will also give potassium benzoate, and then this potassium benzoate means you can say this whole ethyl group is oxidized to your carboxylate ion. This whole ethyl group is oxidized to carboxylate ion, and this potassium benzoate on acidification, this will give you benzoic acid. This is your benzoic acid. Let us suppose if we use secondary alkyl group, मान लीजिए हम यहाँ पे सेकेंडरी अल्काइल ग्रुप लें, इट इज योर क्यूमीन, दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड योर आइसोप्रोपाइल बेंजीन. दिस इज क्यूमीन और आइसोप्रोपाइल बेंजीन. नाउ इफ वी हैव दिस आइसोप्रोपाइल बेंजीन, if we have this isopropyl benzene, this on oxidation with your alkaline KMnO4, it will give potassium benzoate, which on acidification will give benzoic acid. So this is the use of this reaction, that if this is benzene ring and whatever be the side chain, the whole side chain is converted to your carboxylic group. Now let us see some more example. Let us see some more example. For example, we have compound of this type. Say this is CH3, this is COCH3. This compound is your 4-methyl acetophenone. This compound is your 4-methyl acetophenone. If we oxidize with alkaline KMnO4, means it is KMnO4 in the presence of alkali, then we can say in this case what happens, both this group, this methyl group as well as this ketonic group, both will oxidize, and then your product will be COOK, and it is your COOK which on acidification, we get benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. This is your benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. तो आप देखिए कि जो अल्काइल ग्रुप था वो भी कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप में चेंज हो गया और जो आपका कीटोनिक ग्रुप था वो भी आपको कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप में चेंज हो गया. So this is the use of your this reaction. Similarly, if we consider a compound like this type, if we have, this is your cyclohexene. This is your cyclohexene. इस cyclohexene को if you oxidize with alkaline KMnO4 and then you acidify with dilute sulfuric acid. First of all, you oxidize with alkaline KMnO4 and then hydrolyze, then what will happen? This double bond will cleave, and when this double bond will cleave, the product is your distillate. Means this is your carboxylic acid and this is your carboxylic acid. So we can say this is carboxylic acid, this is carboxylic acid. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is your hexane dioic acid. So the IUPAC name of this compound is your hexane dioic acid, या आप इसको हेक्सेन 1,6 dioic acid भी चाहते तो बोल सकते थे. So it is your hexane dioic acid. Means you see the use of this alkaline KMnO4 or the oxidation process that it even cleave your double bond. So this is the preparation of benzoic acid by the oxidation of your alkyl benzene or such type of your related compound.